Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to guide you how to get NFL Sunday ticket for free with Verizon. You can get NFL Sunday ticket for free with Verizon by purchasing a new 5G phone and signing up for a new line on a MyPlan, or by activating an eligible Verizon Home Internet plan, one from any one of these. Now, if you are a new customer, you can buy a new 5G phone and sign up for a new line on a Verizon MyPlan link. And if you are an existing customer, you can bring your own phone or buy a new 5G phone and add a new line on my plan. For new or upgrading home internet customers, they can activate any eligible internet plan from any of these. Now, how to redeem your offer? First, sign into My Verizon account and then navigate to your offers. Select the NFL Sunday ticket redemption tile and click Claim Offer. Then review and accept the Verizon terms and conditions. Once done, provide your consent for Verizon to access your Google account. When the Google account prompted, you can add or select your Google account information and you will be redirected to YouTube to start watching. And that's how you will get your Sunday ticket free from Verizon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.